Hello, good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and safe at home. As we all are facing the problems due to COVID 19, you should follow some safety rules, which means you must wash your hands frequently and stay safe at home. But one should not stop learning. As for now, we have to use mobile phones, laptops, and computer as our teaching aid. I, Mrs. Smita teacher from St. Paul's High School, I will be teaching you EVS. This is the EVS book. Enjoy Environmental Studies. You are going to learn from this book. Chubby cheeks, dimpled chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Everyone's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Children, you have learned this poem in nursery. Now we are going to learn about our body parts. Our body has many parts and each part has a name. Each part of our body is different and each part is useful. Do you know, children, each part of our body does a special job for us. All of them work together. Children, now we will have a close look at our body parts.
I can name parts of my body. Head,
nose,
eye, ear, mouth, neck,
shoulder,
thumb,
fingers,
hand,
arm,
chest, elbow,
stomach, leg, thigh,
knee,
foot,
ankle,
toes,
heel,
Let's learn some more parts of the body. Tongue, teeth, lips, hair,
eyebrow,
nail,
And remember, children, some parts of our body are in pairs and some are single. Now let us take a look in detail. What do the parts of my body do? Eyes and neck. I can see with my eyes. I can move my head with the help of my neck. Nose and mouth. I smell and breathe with my nose. I talk and eat with my mouth. My arms, hands and fingers. I have two arms, 2 hands and 10 fingers, 5 on each hand. I write with my hand. I can hold a glass with my hand. I can pull with my hand. My arms help to do all this. I can lift with my arms. I can throw with my arms. I can make things with my hands, legs and feet. I can kick. I can stand. I can walk. I can run. I can jump. I can dance. Parts of the body work together so that you can do something. Look at what I am doing in this picture. I am dancing. I am batting. I am catching a ball. I am skipping with a rope. In each part of my body works in a special way. Many parts of the body move when we work or play. My arms and legs move. My neck and head move. My arms and hands move. My chest and back move. That is how I can do so much. Each part of our body has a name. Our body is covered with skin. Each part of our body does a special job. Each part of our body is useful. We should keep our body clean. Our body has 5 sensory organs which are very useful to us: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Eyes. Eyes help us to see the things. Ears. Ears help us to listen to others and listen to the music. Nose. Through our nose we can smell everything. Tongue. We taste with the help of tongue. We can taste sweet, sour, bitter. Skin. Our body is covered with the skin. Skin gives us sense of touch. These organs are very important parts of our body, which help us to enjoy the beauty of nature. Children, today you have learned different parts of our body and its uses. So, for your homework, label the different parts of the body in the picture. Thank you and God bless you. Stay home and stay safe.